Hello, thanks for watching the video. This video contains not only 50 plus most beautiful designs about vertical gardens, but also going to be very informative. In this video, we will give you the information and tips about vertical garden. So watch the video till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. A vertical garden is a garden that grows upward vertically using a trellis or other support system rather than on the ground horizontally. Vertical gardens, also known as living walls or green walls, are becoming increasingly popular in urban areas as a way to bring nature into the city. They are essentially gardens that are grown vertically, either on walls or other structures. In this video, we will explore the benefits of vertical gardens and how they can be implemented in various settings. One of the main benefits of vertical gardens is their ability to improve air quality. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which can help reduce pollution level in urban areas. Additionally, vertical gardens can help reduce the urban heat effect by providing shade and cooling the surrounding areas. Another benefit of vertical gardens is their aesthetic appeal. They can add a touch of greenery to an otherwise dull and grey urban landscape, making the area more pleasant and inviting. The additional vertical gardens can help reduce noise level by absorbing sound waves. Vertical gardens can also be used to grow food in urban areas where space is limited. This can help increase access to fresh produce and promote sustainable living practices. There are several ways to implement vertical gardens depending on the setting and available resources. One popular method is to use a modular system where individual planters are attached to a wall or structure. Another method is through hydroponics, where plants are grown in a nutrient-rich solution island instead of soil. Vertical gardens can be installed both indoors and outdoors. In indoor settings, they can help improve air quality and add a natural element to the space. In outdoor settings, they can be used to beautify public spaces such as parks and plazas. Conclusion: vertical gardens are a sustainable and aesthetically pleasing way to bring nature into urban areas. They offer a range of benefits from improving air quality to providing fresh produce in limited spaces. With their versatility and adaptability, vertical gardens are sure to become an increasingly popular feature in cities around the world. Here are few tips and tricks for creating a successful vertical garden. When selecting plants for your vertical garden, choose species that are well suited to the amount of sunlight and water they will receive. Some good choices for vertical gardens include ferns, succulents, and herbs. It's important to use a soil mixture that is especially designed for vertical gardens. These soils are lightweight and well draining, which is essential for the health of your plants. Vertical gardens require more frequent watering than a traditional gardens, as the soil can dry out more quickly. Consider installing an irrigation system to ensure your plants receive consistent moisture. Additionally, you may want to use a fertilizer to provide your plants with the nutrients they need to thrive. Structure you choose for your vertical garden will depend on the size and weight of your plants, as well as the location of your garden. Consider using a modular system that can be easily adjusted as your plants grow. If your vertical garden is located indoor or in a shady area, you may need to provide additional lighting to ensure your plants receive adequate sunlight. Regular pruning is essential for the health of your plants and will prevent overcrowding. Be sure to remove any dead or damaged foliage, or as well as any weeds that may appear. Keep an eye out of pests and diseases that may affect your plants. Early detection is key to preventing the spread of these issues. By following these tips and tricks, you may create a beautiful and healthy vertical garden that will thrive in any setting. So at the end of this video, we want to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. And also don't forget to give us your suggestions through your comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.